Ka Sorkar jela kelasnya Meghalaya ban Thied ya ka yeng ka ban Shongdor arpo klur tengka ban bu ka Meghalaya Guest House ha Bangalore. Kenang ban la ban Pynbiang jaka sa ki bil jinglet ber ban jaka sa ki san pongut ki Khynnah Pule shenrang bat san pongut ki Khynnah Pule kan thai ka jela. Ha bakli laki don ni kan ugo jing temu ban shna ya ka Meghalaya House ha Bangalore. Uba polong do ulo ong bayam menta kabadan kam kerki kalong ban Pynbiang ya ka jing don kam jeki Khynnah Pule. Kajing temu bersnai ke Meghalaya House ke dairu ke beladon ha kajing perkat nrai benelek ban Pynbiang no mardor kam tam ha babun ki Khynnah Pule syam jing ban yo ya kaja kasa bat ka doru kalong ke baramba nrai la dasnai ke Meghalaya House on dan kam man thau shosho gi pos bat ban boru ya ki officer.
Cabinet also approved the purchase of a building in Bangalore for the accommodation of visitors from Meghalaya to that city, and more especially for the student population. This particular building, located in the city of Bangalore, will accommodate at any point of time in two dorms for girls and boys, 50 boys and 50 girls. And Bangalore being one of the most visited areas by Meghalayans, and also we have a number of students pursuing various courses in that city.